It is the last day of our SOS drive as FOX5, our Take 5 to Care partners, and the Salvation Army accept your donations of school supplies for our local students. And Mike Davis is live right now, apparently with a big donation. What's going on, Mike?
Yes, we're getting that momentum going early, guys, and that's a big thing, and that's all thanks to James Swanson with Screaming Images. James, first, before we get into the donation and look how coordinated those items look right there. The supplies look pretty. But before we get into all that kind of stuff, and we have Jordan and Ariana helping us out with the Salvation Army. Thank you, guys. You're the best. James, tell us about Screaming Images.
So Screaming Images, we're a grand format printing company. We do design, print, and install a lot of the big things you see around town. Most recently, we wrapped the pyramid over to Luxor with help from our partners at Yesco.
Oh, wow.
Just a lot of big things. We do a lot of events and on a national level.
And it's good that you have that artistic element because the supplies looks great on this truck, definitely.
Thank you.
What does it mean giving back to the community, help supplying our students? Why did you want to help do this?
I think it's important, especially when it comes to kids in school, just to support them as much as you can. And this city has supported us so much, we give back whenever we can, especially when it has to do with kids.
It really is a nice thing you're doing, and thanks to your donation, you're going to get one of these blocks. We're going to go over to the tally board because we've hit a really big milestone number. Jordan and Ariana, thank you so much. Let's go over to the tally board, guys. So, James, thanks to your donation from Screaming Images, we have now hit $23,000. James, thank you so much. Put that up there, right there. Boom. There we go, guys. We're at $23,000. Thank you so much, James. That's James from Screaming Images. We want to hit this $30,000 number. We're trying to hit that before the end of the morning. Help come out. We're here at the FOX5 studio. Come say hi, contactless drive-thru. And if you can't make it, you can always text a donation to SOS 2020 at 51555. But we're going to be highlighting local members of the community and local businesses all day. We're here until 6 p.m. So I'll toss it back to you guys in the studio. We're at 23 now. It's pretty big news.
I love it. We are getting so close to our goal, and I really hope, as with every year, we really see the community come out on the last day, and it looks like that's getting started early.
Getting that momentum going.
All right, Mike, thank you.